This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a security system, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, roof rails, traction control, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.